That day is when I realized that the stock market isn't about trading, it's war. Let's take a look at the Billionaire's Battlefield board game. It's called charts. I will show you what you need to know to determine which army is advancing stronger and which army will make you the most money at that time. Let's take a look at it. All right, so this is how you can see the Billionaire's Battlefield. It's really a war zone. These are your little army guys. Every one of these little candles is just a foot soldier. That's a foot soldier right there. See this green guy right here? He's a foot soldier. This is a game of foot soldiers and tanks. Now, what we want, we don't want to get involved when the foot soldiers are going at it. We want to wait for the tanks to show up. So when the tank shows up, it's a huge fair value gap. When you see a nice fair value gap, right, like this red one right here, that's a tank. See the fair value gap right there? See that gap? The tanks have showed up. That means the red team's coming down and the price is going to go all the way into support. So you could have entered right there, right after the tank showed up, and you get your money in support. Now all this here, see this area? It's just foot soldiers. You and I as traders, we stay away from this zone. They call it chop. I call it foot soldier battlefield. All these little guys here going back and forth, we do not get involved because it might as well be called a tug of war. You don't know who has the advantage. For us as traders, we want to get in only when there's an advantage. And when is there an advantage? Well, guess what? Right there. This little guy right here. Boom. That fair value gap. Power. That's a tank. That little tank has shown that we are ready to get busy. So once the tanks show up, you enter the trade. And then when this fair value gap, this tank shows up, you enter the trade. And look, you follow the 20 SMA all the way up to here. Make another 90 or 120 points. That's when you know you're going to have momentum, and that's when you know who has the advantage. So here we have this last green tank right here. See this? Fair value gap. But I want you to watch what happens. This green tank, right? That's the market structure shift. This line right here. What happens is this. This thing gets taken out. So once it's taken out and we have a new tank, a new fair value gap, then you know, okay. Sorry, folks. That's when you know, look, new fair value gap. Then another one. So now we got two red tanks. So who do you think's winning the fight? The red team. Simple. No fair value gaps, no trade. No tanks, no trade, no power. When this tank is taken out, you enter. When the new one comes in. Once this one's taken out and a new tank comes for the other team, you jump ship and you short. You join the red team. You see? You enter short and you take your money. Once you see this tank take out that other one, Guess what? You enter. This tank right here, once it shows up, boom, you enter. Right there for the green team. 1, 2, 3 simple trades. You avoid the foot soldier battle. You wait for a tank. You get in and you ride it. You don't take profit until it breaks the 20 SMA. Once it breaks the 20 SMA and this last tank is taken out, you're switching sides. And you see these 2 red tanks, now you're selling and you're taking it and you're just going to follow the 20 SMA, follow the line all the way down. Because you're going to enter short and you're going to make money. That, folks, is the power of the tanks. Now that you've seen it, you can never unsee it. God bless.